The month of Ramadan is the month of fasting. It's the month of the Quran, and it is also the month of charity. The Prophet ﷺ was described as the most giving man, and yet the companion said that in the month of Ramadan, he gave even more. He also says ﷺ that he who provides food for a fasting person, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward him with the full reward of that fasting person without that fasting person losing any of their reward. So what is the reward, you might be asking? Well, he says sallallahu alayhi wasallam that whoever fasts one day outside of Ramadan, Allah Azza wa Jal will remove his face from Jahannam a distance of 70 years. When it came specifically to the month of Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, fasting is for me and I will reward it accordingly. So this Ramadan 2023, One Ummah who operate at a 100% donation policy are making charity and providing food for our fasting brothers and sisters easier than ever before. For £120, your donation will provide food packs to 3 separate families, providing 2 meals a day for up to 4 weeks in countries like Somalia, Afghanistan, Syria, and others. So whether you're watching this video before Ramadan, during Ramadan, or even if it's the last day of Ramadan, take advantage of this great opportunity. Click on the link below and act now.